Humanoid robots are evolving faster than you think. Imagine a humanoid robot that not only walks like us, but can also analyze, react, and learn in real time. Sounds like sci-fi? Think again. Tesla, Figure AI, and other startups are turning this into reality faster than anyone imagined. Welcome to the age of humanoid robots. And here's a question for you. Would you be ready to live with a smart robot in your home? Number 1. Current state of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are no longer a distant dream. They're a rapidly advancing reality. In fact, some of the most impressive models are already out there, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Take Tesla's Optimus Gen 2, for instance. Initially just a prototype, Optimus is now becoming a functional robot capable of performing real-world tasks like walking, carrying objects, and even interacting with its environment. With its more natural movements and sleek design, it's aiming to work alongside human workers in various settings, from factories to homes. And the goal is clear: a future where robots assist with mundane tasks, making life easier for us all. Another game changer is Figure 01, a humanoid robot currently being tested in real-world environments like warehouses and logistics. What's exciting about Figure is its ability to manipulate objects with precision and efficiency, something robots have struggled with in the past. It can not only carry boxes, but also sort, organize, and perform more complex tasks with minimal human supervision. This is huge for industries that rely heavily on manual labor, as it promises to reduce costs and improve productivity. Then there's Boston Dynamics' Atlas. While still in the research phase, Atlas has become one of the most advanced humanoid robots in terms of agility and movement. Capable of performing backflips, jumping, and even running through complex environments, it showcases the potential for robots that are not only functional, but dynamic. Although Atlas is currently too expensive and specialized for everyday use, it lays the groundwork for what humanoid robots could become: athletic, autonomous, and incredibly efficient. Number 2. The near future. As we look toward the near future, humanoid robots are poised to play a pivotal role in shaping our everyday lives. While current models like Optimus and Atlas are impressive, the next generation is expected to push these boundaries even further. One of the key areas of focus is mobility. Humanoid robots will become more fluid in their movements, allowing them to navigate complex environments with ease, whether it's walking upstairs, carrying heavy loads, or even interacting in dynamic settings like offices and homes. This will be made possible by advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, allowing robots to adapt to their environment in real time. Beyond physical tasks, humanoid robots will also evolve in terms of emotional intelligence. Researchers are already working on creating robots that can understand and respond to human emotions, making them more interactive and capable of engaging in meaningful social interactions. Imagine a robot that can not only perform tasks, but also provide companionship, offer assistance in times of need, or even act as a therapeutic tool for individuals with mental health challenges or disabilities. The next phase in humanoid robotics will also see greater collaboration with humans. Robots will assist workers in industries like healthcare, retail, and education, offering support in tasks such as caregiving, teaching, or customer service. As humanoid robots become more accessible and affordable, we can expect them to complement human efforts, providing both practical help and companionship, all while improving overall efficiency and productivity. Number 3. Challenges and limitations. While the future of humanoid robots is undeniably exciting, there are several significant challenges and limitations that must be overcome before they can truly integrate into society on a wide scale. One of the primary hurdles is mobility and balance. Despite advancements in technology, robots still struggle to navigate uneven terrain or perform delicate yet precise movements that are essential for tasks like picking up fragile objects or maneuvering in tight spaces. The sheer complexity of human movement, from walking and running to performing intricate hand gestures, makes it incredibly difficult to replicate with mechanical parts. Another challenge is power and battery life. Most humanoid robots today rely on rechargeable batteries that limit their operational time. While some models can operate for hours, they are nowhere near the self-sufficiency required for long-term tasks. Improving battery technology to ensure that robots can work for extended periods without needing constant recharging is crucial for their widespread adoption, especially in industries that demand continuous operation. Artificial intelligence, AI, is also a double-edged sword. While AI enables robots to process data and make decisions in real time, it is still not perfect. There are concerns about the reliability and safety of AI-powered humanoid robots, especially in high-risk environments like healthcare or transportation. Robots may not always make the best decisions or understand complex human emotions, which could result in unintended consequences. Finally, there's the issue of cost. Currently, humanoid robots are expensive to produce and maintain. While this is expected to improve as the technology advances, the high upfront costs are a barrier to widespread adoption. Until robots become more affordable, they may remain out of reach for most consumers and businesses. Number 4. Conclusion and future outlook. Looking ahead, the potential of humanoid robots is both inspiring and daunting. With continued advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine learning, we are slowly but surely getting closer to a world where humanoid robots can seamlessly integrate into society. The road to achieving this is not without its obstacles, from overcoming technical limitations in mobility and AI to addressing the ethical concerns that come with introducing such advanced technology into our daily lives. However, the benefits are immense. As humanoid robots become more capable, they will likely revolutionize industries ranging from healthcare and education to hospitality and entertainment. Imagine a world where robots are not only tools but true companions, assisting the elderly, aiding medical staff in surgeries, or offering personal support in our homes. The future of humanoid robotics is not just about machines performing tasks. It's about creating relationships and enhancing the quality of life for people around the globe. While we may still be years away from fully realizing this vision, the rapid pace of innovation in robotics and AI suggests that we're on the brink of a new era. Humanoid robots are no longer just a concept in science fiction. They are becoming a tangible part of our future. As technology progresses, it's crucial to remember that the goal isn't to replace humans, but to complement and augment our capabilities. The future is full of possibilities, and humanoid robots may very well play a central role in shaping it. As we stand on the edge of a new robotic era, it's clear that humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction, they're becoming science fact. The breakthroughs we've seen so far are only the beginning, and the next few years could redefine what it means to be human in a world we share with intelligent machines. If you're as excited about this future as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Vortex, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive into emerging tech. Got thoughts on where humanoid robotics is headed? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your take. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep riding the wave of innovation.